Question 22. An isosceles triangle is drawn inside a circle as shown. The base of the triangle is 4.8 centimeters long, the length of the other sides is 4 centimeters, and the height is h centimeters. Calculate the height h of triangle ABC. So, let's have a look at just one of these triangles as like a right angle triangle. So we have this hypotenuse length is 4 centimeters, the height we're trying to find, and this base length is going to be 4.8 divided by 2. So 4.8 over 2 equals 2.4. So that's what this base length here is going to be, okay, centimeters. Now we want to try and find h. So what we can do, since it's a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras' theorem. So Pythagoras' theorem is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, and c squared is the hypotenuse. So if we were to substitute these values in, well, the hypotenuse is 4 centimeters. So let's sub that. 4 squared equals a squared plus b squared. So let's do the base first. So 2.4 squared plus b squared, which is represented by h. So let's write h squared. All right, let's go up here. So after this, let us actually do the squared things. So 4 squared equals 16. And then 2.4 squared is 5.76 plus h squared. Now, if we want to find the value of h squared, let's move this 5.76 over to the left side. So let's subtract it from both sides. So 16 minus 5.76 equals h squared. And if we simplify this left side, that equals 10.24 equals h squared. And to get h on its own, we have to square root both sides. So if we square root 10.24, that's going to equal h. So h equals 10.24 square root, right? We already square rooted the h and it gets h. And this is going to be equal to 3.2 centimeters. And then part B, it says the area of the triangle ABC is 7.68 centimeters squared, and the radius of the circle is 2.5 centimeters. Express the area of the triangle ABC as a percentage of the area of a circle correct to one decimal place. So we have the area of the triangle, and they've only given us the radius for the circle. So let's find the area of the circle. Now this is pi r squared. That's the formula for the area of a circle. So that equals pi, and our radius is 2.5 centimeters squared. This equals 6.25 pi, right? 2.5 squared is 6.25, and I've kept the pi intact. I haven't put this in my calculator and try and get a decimal, because when you multiply anything by pi, it becomes a never-ending number, and then you have to round it, and then there's a potential of getting a rounding error. So I just like to keep the pi intact during my calculations. Now the area of the triangle that was given, that's 7.68 centimeters squared. So this is also centimeters squared. Now if we want the percentage, that is, because it says express the area of the triangle as a percentage of the area of the circle. So what percentage of the circle does the triangle take up, right? So the triangle is going to be the smaller value. So the area of the triangle is going to be on the numerator over the area of the circle. And actually, to turn that into a percentage, we times that by 100. So let's substitute our values. Area of the triangle, 7.68 over the area of the circle, which is 6.25 pi. Remember, pi is 3.14 something something. So this is kind of being multiplied by 3. So even though it says 6.25, don't get tripped out. It's a much bigger number. It's around 18 or 19. So if we put this into our calculator, oops, we have to multiply by 100 still. If we put that into our calculator and we round to one decimal place, it's going to be 39.1% to one decimal place.